Let's try this one on for size. And it's got a bunch of variables, and it might be freaky to you, but it shouldn't be so bad. We have positive a minus b is equal to negative c minus x. A few things going on here. I think first, what we'll do is we'll move that x over to the other side, making it a plus x. Remember, we don't like solving for negative x, we like solving for positive x, so that's really important for us to do. And I think the next thing I'm going to do is try to move over the a and the negative b over to the right hand side, because the thing that's preventing x from being all by itself is that plus a is guarding it and the minus b is also guarding it. So what we can do is we'd punch that positive a over to the other side and make it a minus a, and we'd kick that negative b over to the other side and make it a positive b. I'll show it to you here. We have a minus b equals c minus x. We're going to move the x over, we're going to move the a over, and we'll move the b over. And that's it. Now, technically, and this is really important, is what you want to do is the line above this was actually completely correct. But in order for it to be more appealing, is we like to write things in alphabetical order. So we put the A first, and then the B, and then the C. Technically, the line above it is perfectly fine, C minus A plus B. But most math teachers, including myself, will want you to write things in alphabetical order, and that's just because we want to try to be able to compare everyone's answer, make sure that they're the same. And it's easiest to do it if it's in alphabetical order. It's neater, it's cleaner, and it's just a better way to kind of go about doing things. If possible, of course. If it's possible to write it in alphabetical order, that's what you want to do. I just want to let you guys know, kids, that I love you guys so much, and it's important to me that I show you how to manipulate these things. And that's kind of the real big fun of doing this, is showing you folks how to move algebra and how to play with it. Because when we get to physics and when we get to higher levels of science, that's what we're going to do. We're going to play around with these letters and move things around, but we have to follow all of the same rules that we're learning here in algebra. I love you guys.